Welcome to my channel. Hello friends, today I am going to show Infosys salary structure of a systems engineer during and after training. During training. Earnings. These are the types of earnings you will get. This is the total earning without deductions. Deductions. These are the deductions from your salary. This amount you will get as a PF balance every month. This is the total deductions from your salary. This is the enhanced salary you will get during the training. After training. These earnings will remain the same during and after training. The difference comes in TPI incentive. The TPI incentive depends on the score you obtained in training. TPI incentive. If your score is greater than 92, you are under top performer and you will get a bonus of 5,000 every month, plus a one-time bonus of 25,000. If your score is between 80 and 91, you are under high performer and you will get a bonus of 5,000 every month. If your score is between 70 and 79, you are under above average performer and you will get a bonus of 2,500 every month. If your score is between 65 and 69, you are under an average performer and you will get a bonus of 1,250 every month. Note, if you clear your exam in second attempt, then you are not eligible for TPF and HPF. So, this is the range of total earnings you will get. Your range of deductions will almost be same before and after training. So, this is the range of enhanced salary you will get after your training. If you have joined Infosys in between the month, then your salary will be according to the number of days you have worked.